So, here it is. The final chapter of the roll pan. We've had 2 whole videos just on making the roll pan, installing the roll pan, and then we also had doing our license plate bracket. You know, there's a lot of roll pan out there, but we got at least one more. So far, we've had 1 video just on making the roll pan and installing the roll pan. Another video just on making and installing the license plate cover. And now this video. We're gonna finalize this roll pan. We're gonna finish weld the entire thing, grind it all down. We're gonna prep the top of the bedside where I gotta put the Bondo, and we're gonna finish removing the paint from the bed. Let's get cracking. Let's break some eggs. Let's do the thing. Welcome to Hi-Ho Stable Garage. So we're gonna dive into this sucker head on right now. We gotta do the corners. We gotta finish weld the corners. Grind these guys down a little bit. Go over them again with the welder. And then there's a back piece of this panel I have to weld completely across and finish weld that. And then we have our 2 corner pieces here and here for the bottom that we have to weld in. Cut and butt. So let's get cutting and let's get butting.
Yeah. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas.
So, I got this grinded down a little bit. And I'm not going to show you guys me grinding that down because that's a little bit boring, not going to lie. But what I did do is I put my piece here down in the corner, and that streamlines the entire piece. I'm going to show you guys how I did it, but on that side. So this is pretty much what I'm thinking here. As you can see, we got a little bit of gappage here, about a 2-finger width. I have my piece here. So hold on, I got to figure out what way's left, what way's right. Ah, yes, okay, it was like that. So the point is going to be facing this way. And then my square edge goes up against that, and I weld that in, cut and butt, and then I'll see you guys back in a bit. The only thing is, this isn't exactly level right here with this piece, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my blocks of wood right here, and my scissor jack, or my bottle jack, whatever that is, and I'm just going to gently push up on this, and then so then the box can't go anywhere. I have 1 bolt, or 1 all-thread rod, all the way through it, just to hold it so it doesn't lift up. Our piece here. We're just gonna stab that in, do a couple hot tacks there, and then I'm gonna slowly work my way around it, get it all in, and then we're gonna start grinding, and I will see you guys back at body
fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Alright, so we have everything ground down now, thankfully. That was a lot of repetitious work. You know, I had to cut it all out because you guys definitely would not want to watch that. So, now I'm going to lay Bondo on our patch panels that we did along our seams, and we're gonna let that dry, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, there we go, guys. I got the Bondo all done up and sanded up on the top rails. Bondo's here curing up on my roll pan. We're gonna do the exact same thing. We're just gonna sand it, but I'll bring you guys in and I'll show you guys what it looks like wet, since you guys have only really seen it dry. So yeah, that's all wet, but it curls under. And then we did the lip here, just like so. Oh, geez, that's really sunny. Look at that. Oops. Can I block the sun? How about if I go over here? How about if I just clean the lens? There we go. That's a little bit better. Same thing. This one wraps around. We got Bondo on the back side of that, and Bondo there. So yeah, we're just going to sand that all down, and it will be basically ready to rock. But no, the next time you guys will see this bed will be when we're ready to lay some color down on it. I can't wait. I hope you guys enjoyed Roll Paint Round 3. It's a short one, but it's a good one because it's the last one. I'll see you guys in the next video really, really soon. Alright, see ya.